Canada, Mexico, Haiti, Jamaica, Peru. Mom! What's happening? Where's Boy Storm and who are these freaks?
We are the Warner Brothers.
And the Warner sister. And if I'm supposed to know what that means.
Guys, she's not a Hulu subscriber.
Don't worry, we'll get you a 7-day free trial with apps.
Excuse me, I can afford premium.
Cause I can afford shoes. More than one item code of each.
Oh, I see. You think that being mean makes you interested.
I am shocked, just flabbergasted. You mother.
Listen here, you old bitch. You told
Is horrified of what you actually could have done with the real band. Because the only possible reason is that they couldn't be here is because you kidnapped them. Or tie them up and let the stands eat them up. Or poison them with poisonous poison! Mom, this is worse than my quinceañera!
stop embarrassing me and get off my stage, you old hag. Send these motherfuckers back where they came from. I'm guessing Dr. Seuss's garbage can. Alright then we'll see. Hang on. I think Dot is about to blow. Oh, you mother! How dare you talk to me, you little... The third, bitch! Well, Motherless blush ratio!